Since it's almost Father's Day, I'm heading to the mall again to pick out a little gift for my dad. And I might come across some cute things, who knows? I'm still on the lookout for some vacation shoes, like flats and wedges, because right now I currently have ballet flats. And I usually just steal my sister's sandals. However, I really want my own, so let's pray that I do find some shoes. This bronzer looks a little red today, I don't know. My favorite contour Fenty Beauty is running out. I'm still holding on to her because I can't seem to find it in store anywhere. I also want to find a little picture frame to display all the shells that I collected on my last beach vacation. That'll do. For some reason, I don't really like wearing mascara. I feel like whenever I do wear it, it kind of makes the space between my eyebrows and my eyes kind of disappear. And I just think that looks weird on me. Same thing with concealer. I don't like putting concealer under my eyes. I feel like an extreme bright under eye is just not flattering on my face. I feel like it just makes my eyes look smaller. And I'm trying to be the most doe-eyed person every time I go outside. So I usually skip out on it. What are we missing? Lips. I left my headphones in my pocket for like 5 minutes. My top lip is literally non-existent. Smudge it out. Perfect. Okay, we have to go. Is this cute, or is it just because it's pink? But I absolutely love this. Wait, this is actually so cute. I need to find a size small. I think this would be so cute as an oversized off-shoulder top. Literally shopping in the kids section. This cami is so cute with the lace. Time for shoes. I think these are actually so cute. Maybe a little too high heely, I don't know. Sadly, no luck in finding what I was looking for, but we're not giving up just yet. We're on our way to the next location. It's giving early 2000s. So cute. Oh my gosh. Sadly again, they do not have my size. I have it in white as well. Why is that kind of cute? Wait, these are so cute. I definitely need a few sweatpants. I can just already tell it's gonna drag on the floor. I just found the pink version and I think I want to get this one too. Hopefully they have extra small back here. These little shorts are so cute. They are pretty long, like they are dragging. I don't know, I'm feeling 50-50 about it. Honestly, today just might not be my day, but I have a tiny bit of hope left, so we're gonna stop by one more store. I visited this little plaza and the view is absolutely gorgeous, and we even spotted a little friend. On to the next store. I tried on some huge sunnies, but I ended up sticking with the ones that I currently have. I'm at Tommy Hilfiger and I just found this cute striped tee. I've been searching for a basic top to wear and I think this one is perfect. It's so flattering. The second shirt is basically the exact same except it's a v-neck cut. And I like that I can even wear it off shoulder. This is such a tough decision. The day finally started getting better, but I think this was my sign to end our little shopping spree on a happy note. How can I have this as a wallpaper in my room? Although I did manage to find some really cute pieces today, unfortunately I didn't find any vacation shoes, so to cheer myself up, I just had to get some Burger King. morning. Today I have another dentist appointment. The last time I went, they injected my mouth with 2 needles and it was not the best time. So I'm going again today and I just know they're gonna inject me with needles again. The weather is so warm and humid outside, so this will be our little fit for today. Sadly, I can't do a lip combo today. I will, however, bring a lip balm because if you know that your lips get super dry so badly that it starts to crack, it's horrible. And I'm bringing my absolute favorite one from Naturium. It is so hot. I'm currently waiting at this little bench. I figured I would sunbathe a little bit while I wait for my Uber. It's like so hot but so windy at the same time. We accidentally arrived 30 minutes earlier. So I just left the dentist. And surprisingly, they didn't end up using any needles, but it was still kind of painful. I have to go back next Tuesday. This cutie's keeping me company. I received a few things recently and I'm so excited to show you. Okay, but first I wanted to show you my little DIY reflector that I made. I was scrolling on Instagram and I noticed that on some girlies' content their lighting quality is super glowy, and it turns out they use a reflector. So I was thinking about buying one, but it seemed really easy to make for free at home. So I made this one with a leftover PR box that I still had laying around, and I just wrapped her in aluminum foil. Hold on, let me show you the difference. With, without. With, without. Do you see the difference? I am so obsessed with this. Thinking of just bringing her in my bag whenever I want to film content outside. Okay, now onto the haul. Look at this beauty. Isn't she the prettiest thing? Oh my gosh. Could you believe that I actually have 5 of these? Insane. That's basically a lifetime supply. I'll never run out. That being said, I am thinking of maybe giving away a few of them to someone in my audience out there. Who knows? Okay, next, I just got this package from Herbivore. I currently have their pink body mist, so I'm super excited to see what this is. You see what's inside first, okay? This little shell card is adorable. First, we have their turmeric and pineapple body polish. That sounds really delicious. Oh, and I just bought a new body scrub. What are the odds? We're gonna do a little smell test. It definitely smells like turmeric. Okay, next they have their turmeric and vitamin C body oil. Let us see. Oh, I actually do have one of these already, and personally I absolutely love it. Oh, that was a little hard to open. It has like that very light turmeric scent. Very wellness coated, I love it. I'll keep her for when I run out of my old one. Now on to this exciting bag. So I went to Tommy Hilfiger and I came across 2 beautiful striped tees, and I couldn't decide if I wanted the neck to be round or a v-neck. I'm definitely more of a v-neck kind of gal, so ultimately I ended up with the v-neck top, of course. And this is her. Absolutely gorgeous. I was actually surprised I wasn't extra small. I tried on the regular extra small and it was kind of big, so. Alright, next we've got some summer essentials, both from Innisfree. This is their green tea cleansing foam. You all know I already like everything green tea. And then next is their sunscreen. I just ran out of my old one, so this is a restock. And that is it for our mini haul. Tomorrow I plan on going out and having a little sister day, just to kind of breathe some oxygen, be out in the sun more, maybe drink a matcha, who knows. And of course you're coming along with me. So today we decided to spend the day at this cute little area by the lake, and we came across the cutest little turtle being saved in the middle of the road. First things first, to start the day off is a vanilla matcha latte, of course. Hi, can I get a vanilla matcha latte? If you're the kind of person who loves sweet matchas, I think this place is definitely for you. Nothing tastes better than sweet grass, honestly. We actually came right on time because it wasn't super busy, but the sun was already starting to go down and the view was absolutely gorgeous. this might have been a bad idea, but my heels have never been afraid of a little sand. While browsing about, we came across an art studio that hosts classes on pottery and painting. In another section, they have candle and perfume making. We'll definitely be visiting again and trying out all these cutesy little hobbies. Surprisingly, they even had a small collection of Korean skincare products. So frizzy, oh my goodness. And that concludes the day. Thank you so much for coming along with me.